Every cotton bud begins with medical-grade cotton fiber, carefully selected for consistency, absorbency, and purity for safe contact with sensitive skin. Cotton fibers are naturally hollow, twisted ribbons with exceptional absorbency, softness, and skin compatibility, making them ideal for personal care applications. The carding process aligns the randomly oriented fibers into parallel arrangement, creating the dimensional consistency needed for uniform tip formation. The facility produces its own sticks from raw polypropylene granules, controlling diameter, flexibility, and surface texture for optimal cotton adhesion. The stick surface is engineered with microscopic texture during extrusion that mechanically locks the wound cotton fiber, preventing tip separation during use. Paper sticks serve the growing demand for fully biodegradable cotton buds that decompose naturally after disposal. A microscopic adhesive dot provides additional security to prevent the cotton tip from ever detaching during normal consumer use.
The assembly hall is the beating heart of the factory, where raw sticks and cotton fiber are united at extraordinary speed to create billions of cotton buds annually.
The winding spindle rotates the stick at thousands of RPM while simultaneously drawing cotton fiber onto the tip, creating the layered wrap structure in a fraction of a second.
Dual-head machines double the production efficiency by forming both cotton tips simultaneously rather than sequentially. Thousands of freshly born cotton buds drop from each machine every minute, creating a continuous white river of tiny swabs.
Tip density determines the absorbency and structural integrity of the finished cotton bud during consumer use. The sheer volume of output is staggering. A single machine can produce over 1 million cotton buds in a single shift.
Cosmetic variants feature oversized tips designed for precise makeup application and blending.
Safety head variants feature oversized cotton tips specifically designed to prevent accidental insertion too deep into infant ear canals. The complete range serves different consumer needs, from general hygiene to cosmetic precision to infant safety. The packaging challenge is immense, counting exact quantities of tiny, lightweight items and loading them into containers at thousands of packs per minute. Orientation packing creates the organized, parallel arrangement consumers expect when they open the container. Paperboard packaging serves the eco-conscious market, demanding plastic-free packaging, combined with paper stick buds. Weight verification provides a secondary confirmation of count accuracy, since each cotton bud has a consistent known weight.
Promotional bundles drive value purchases. Every container verified for safety and accuracy. Palletized for global distribution.
The quality laboratory verifies every performance and safety characteristic of the finished cotton bud.
Tip adhesion must exceed the forces a consumer would apply during normal use, preventing any risk of tip detachment. Absorbency testing ensures the cotton tip provides adequate liquid pickup for cleaning and cosmetic application.
Stick flexibility prevents breakage during normal use while maintaining the rigidity needed for controlled application. Cotton buds intended for personal hygiene must meet strict microbiological cleanliness standards.
Dermatological safety testing confirms the product is hypoallergenic and safe for daily skin contact.
Biodegradability testing verifies the eco-friendly variant decomposes within the claimed time frame.
Stability testing confirms cotton buds maintain their quality throughout the commercial shelf life. Formal batch release confirms all specifications are met. Every production batch permanently documented. The warehouse buffers the enormous production volume for continuous supply to retail channels. International distribution serves consumers worldwide. Distribution operates continuously. Supply chain tracking from factory to shelf. Medical facilities require sterile bulk packaging formats. Billions of cotton buds departing for retail. Manufacturing waste is recycled back into production. Environmental monitoring drives continuous improvement. The complete portfolio serves every hygiene and beauty need. From the command center, operators monitor every winding machine and packaging line. Fiber tension directly determines the density and shape of the finished cotton tip. Complete operational overview. Spindle replacement maintains the precise tip formation geometry. Daily review ensures consistent quality across billions of units. Innovation focuses on sustainable material alternatives. New formats serve evolving consumer lifestyle needs. When darkness falls, the winding machines maintain their relentless high-speed production of billions of tiny hygiene instruments. The overnight shift produces identical volume and quality to daytime. One experienced operator oversees billions of cotton buds being produced through the night. Billions of tiny hygiene instruments march through darkness. Inside these machines, simple cotton fiber and plastic sticks are united at extraordinary speed.
Clinical cleanliness maintained continuously. From raw cotton bale to sealed retail container, the transformation is breathtaking in its simplicity and speed. Precision logistics at massive scale. One tiny cotton bud, born from natural fiber and polymer science. This facility produces billions of the world's most commonly used personal hygiene instruments. The factory's ultimate purpose, enabling the simple daily hygiene ritual performed by billions of people worldwide.
Cosmetic variants enable precision beauty applications that fingers alone cannot achieve.
Safety head variants provide parents the confidence to safely clean around their infants' delicate features. The factory balances raw natural fiber entering, sealed hygiene products departing. From above, a modest-looking facility producing an extraordinary volume of daily hygiene essentials. The first buds of the new shift, identical to the 50 millionth. Every machine winding, every counter clicking. The cotton bud factory at full capacity. Beyond hygiene, the cotton bud serves as a precision art tool for blending and detail work. Medical-grade cotton swabs serve diagnostic and clinical applications requiring sterile specimen collection. The complete journey from raw cotton bale to sealed retail container in one frame. Paper stick variants provide the same performance with complete biodegradability. Full eco-circle, paper sticks in compostable packaging for zero plastic consumers. Organic cotton variants serve the purest ingredient standards. The transformation from compressed bale to cloud-like fiber. Computer vision ensures every cotton tip meets the symmetry specification. Precision counting ensures every container holds the exact advertised quantity. All formats unite for unified distribution.
The humble cotton bud serves as a precision first aid applicator.
Every variant for every need: standard, cosmetic, baby, eco, medical, and art.
The simplest tool enabling the most creative expression. Environmental responsibility in every aspect of production. Billions of tiny instruments of daily hygiene.
Precision application for targeted skincare treatments.
The first transformation: compressed bale to clean separated fiber. Precision applications extend far beyond personal hygiene into specialized professional uses. Continuous sampling maintains quality vigilance. Production never stops.
The cotton bud serves conservation science, carefully removing centuries of grime from priceless artworks.
Skilled operators ensure maximum machine efficiency.
The tensile strength is holding up better than expected at this humidity level.
The consistency of the baniform grain.
An indispensable tool in every makeup artist's professional kit. Sustainability without compromise. Identical performance in a fully biodegradable format.
The collective output of this haul exceeds 50 million cotton buds per day. Precision at miniature scale. The twilight transition. $50 million buds, 0 defects. Another perfect production day.
As evening falls, the night shift continues the endless creation of the world's simplest hygiene tool.
One tiny cotton bud, natural fiber, polymer stick, microscopic adhesive, the simplest manufacturing creating the most universal hygiene tool. The cotton bud. Cotton, a stick, and a microdot of glue. The humblest of manufacturing, creating a product found in virtually every bathroom on Earth. Simple, essential, and perfectly made.